How to hide the taskbar while playing Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can remove this taskbar while you are in Roblox. So as you can see, I am currently in the Roblox and this taskbar is visible, thus occupying this particular area which is ruining my full screen experience of playing Roblox. So let me show you how you can fix this. So this is not primarily the issue of the Roblox application itself, but the issue of the Windows taskbar behavior. So to resolve this out, the first thing that you will need to do is simply click onto the search bar and from here go to settings. Now, once you go to the settings, within the settings, you will be landed onto this home tab. So what you will need to do is click onto this personalization tab, and within the personalization tab, you will need to scroll down until you see taskbar. So simply click onto this taskbar, and within this, you can click onto this taskbar behaviors, and within the taskbar behaviors you see this first option, that is automatically hide the taskbar. Simply click onto this and now you can see that you can gain the full Windows experience, and whenever you need the taskbar back, simply move your cursor towards the bottom and your taskbar will pop up. And now if you will open the Roblox, you can see that the taskbar has successfully disappeared. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.